One thing you guys should really look into is getting some FM manuals. And there's a whole bunch of them online for free PDF download. I generally use a tablet, and I have tons of ebooks on my tablet or PDF books on my tablet. And generally, that's a good reading source when I'm out camping or hiking or when I just want to take some time. And these survival books are pretty much going to help you get through any kind of situation. I generally keep a tablet in my backpack or with my camping gear and with a camping solar panel and and my tablet so I can have any kind of book I need it for any kind of reference for any kind of situation. And like I said, these are all military. These are actual books that are given by military and different military classes. So this is just some more information about preparedness, things that you would really want to take with you if we were in a bug out situation and you needed to know medical or survival skills or combat skills. Um, Generally, even the full basic training manual that they give us when we were in basic training is very good for you guys to really just kind of learn what the idea and the mindset is in that kind of environment.